Welcome. Do not have a selfie flash on your mobile, or your back flashlight is too weak. Are you so worried about this? Has come for you. Selfie Ring Flash LED fill light. Put it on the front or back of your mobile. You can take photos as you like, although it is too small to see. But it is a very powerful flashlight. By this, you can take full bright photos. Although it is very dark, it's very easy to use. When you want to take photos, just keep it with your mobile, and you will focus on taking photos. As soon as you take it, it is fully fitting with all the mobile phones. They are of many models. Today I will show you the best 5 Selfie Ring Flash LED fill light of them. I promise you will happy to see this video, so watch carefully till the end. And don't miss to hit the subscribe button. Let's go.
Number 1.
New Selfie Ring Light Portable Flash LED Camera Phone. Photography enhancing photography for smartphone, iPhone, Samsung.
Number 2.
Beauty moisturizing LED Selfie Ring Light Nanometer Spray Humidifier Up Flash Photography Luminous Lamp for iPhone phone on clip.
Number 3.
Mini Portable Betty Selfie Ring Light with USB Charge Up Flash Photography Luminous Lamp 3 Brightness for iPhone phone clip.
Number 4.
Alanzi Live Stream Selfie Light with Wide Angle Lens Clip-on Rechargeable LED Ring Light for iPhone X/8/7 Plus Smartphone Tablet.
Number 5.
Alanzi ISF LED Selfie Ring Light Supplement Brightness Beautify Photography Video Light Universal Clip-on for iPhone X7 Xiaomi. So if you don't miss the chance to buy this awesome products, hit the link on the description.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.